Show you how to either update or delete a banner or header. And I'm talking about this section right here. When it is no longer Easter, this has everything up through Easter, you won't want this on your site because you want to keep things current so people know that you're an active congregation. There's nothing worse than going onto a site that has their Christmas announcement up in February. So how do we get rid of this? So I'm going to go back to the dashboard and we're going to go down to Appearance. And we're going to go down to Widgets. That is in a widget. Everything here, this is a widget. These sections in here are all run by widgets. Okay. Right now we're just working on the banner widget. And so that is this one right here. When you need this to be done, all you'll need to do is delete it. And if we go up here and we reload this page, you'll see that now it's gone. Very simple. Now, if we want to add a new widget or a new banner or slide, as it's called up here, we're going to go on the left-hand side and we're going to find where it says CT slide. We're going to open that up. You can only put it in this section, so there's no sense of, I don't know why all those other options are there. You can only put it in the slider section, so we're going to hit that. It automatically adds itself to the bottom. If you don't want it on the bottom, if you want it to be the first one that shows up, all you need to do is drag it up like so. All right. We can choose an image. Now, for this purpose, we have the lint one right here. I'm going to put that back where it was, and I'm going to hit Save. Now, I did have the word lint on top because right now it is lint. And so I'm going to save that. And we'll go back up here. We'll reload the page and we'll see that it is once again up here. Now, once you get rid of this one, we're going to add a different one now. I'm going to go to CT Slide and add widget. And I'm going to put it up at the top just for ease right now. And you'll notice that it says that it needs to be an image that is this size right here, 1700 by 500 pixels. I don't know if you know how to do Photoshop, you know how to do any kind of image editing, but just to put up a picture up there, an image up there, I'm going to go here and I'm going to say that I want, let's say we are having a fall mission rally. So I'm just going to put that I want something for the fall and I want it to be 1700 by 500. I'll go to images here in my Google, and these images are the right size for that page. I'm going to pick this one because I want to add my own words to it, and I'm going to save this. Let's see, save the image as, and I'll save it to my desktop. Autumn leaves, they call it. All right, go back into our widget, and I'm going to choose that image that I just added. And right here. Once it's added, make sure that it's still checked, and then you put Use in Widget. And there it is. Now, I want to advertise the Fall Mission Rally. A little description could be the date. So we'll just say September 24th, and we'll say it's from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, and we will save that. Now let's look what that looks like once we put that up here. And there is how you can advertise something that's coming up. Could be VBS. Could be that if you bought a VBS program, it sometimes will come with images. And you can do like so. If you noticed, I'm going to go back onto the internet here, that there was one that had a Bible verse with it. Right here. If God is for us, who can be against us? We could grab that, save that image. I'm going to go back into the widgets. I'm going to delete this one because we don't need this one really. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to add another one. Just doing a little practice here. Using widget. I'm going to move it up to the top. You don't have to move it up to the top. And I'm going to choose the image. And we just uploaded that other one onto my desktop, and it's right here. Once it's done uploading, we'll use in widget, and I will save it. And we will see how that works out. Reload the page, and there you go. And that could just be something you have on here. You don't have to, obviously, but we suggest that you keep the typical ones that are on here, but you can add seasonal ones on there when you wish.